In this video, we will talk about red light therapy for weight loss. Can it help GLP-1 users? Spa and at-home devices explained. So make sure to watch the full video. Red light therapy, RLT, is gaining popularity as a non-invasive method for supporting weight loss and body sculpting. With many people using GLP-1 medications like Ozempic and Wegovy for weight management, RLT is being explored as a way to enhance fat metabolism, reduce inflammation, and improve skin elasticity. But does it actually help? From professional spa treatments to at-home devices, red light therapy offers a range of options for users looking to optimize their weight loss journey. This guide explores how RLT works, its benefits, and whether it's a worthwhile addition for GLP-1 users aiming for sustainable fat loss and improved body composition. 1. What is red light therapy? Red light therapy, RLT, is a non-invasive treatment that utilizes low-wavelength red and near-infrared (NIR) light to penetrate the skin and stimulate biological processes at a cellular level. Originally developed by NASA for wound healing and tissue regeneration, it has since gained popularity in various fields, including skincare, muscle recovery, and weight management. RLT is believed to work by enhancing mitochondrial function, increasing energy production within cells, and promoting overall cellular health. In the context of weight loss, RLT is thought to help break down fat cells by triggering lipolysis, the process by which stored fat is released from cells and made available for energy use. Additionally, RLT is known for improving blood circulation, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to cells while flushing out toxins and waste. This increased circulation can aid in reducing inflammation and accelerating muscle recovery, making it a valuable tool for those looking to enhance their fitness results. Many wellness centers, spas, and medical clinics now offer red light therapy sessions, often using full body panels or localized treatments. Additionally, advancements in technology have made it possible to use RLT at home with handheld devices, wearable wraps, and full body mats. As research into red light therapy continues to expand, more people are incorporating it into their wellness routines to support weight loss and overall health. 2. How red light therapy affects weight loss. Red light therapy is believed to contribute to weight loss by stimulating fat cells to release their stored lipids, which the body can then metabolize for energy. This process, often referred to as photobiomodulation, enhances mitochondrial activity, allowing cells to function more efficiently. As mitochondria generate more ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the body becomes more effective at burning fat, which can support weight loss efforts when combined with a balanced diet and exercise. Another way RLT impacts weight loss is through its ability to reduce chronic inflammation. Inflammation is often associated with weight gain and metabolic dysfunction, as it can lead to insulin resistance and hinder the body's ability to break down fat. By reducing oxidative stress and lowering inflammation, red light therapy may help create a more favorable environment for fat loss. Additionally, improved circulation can assist in flushing out metabolic waste, reducing bloating, and promoting a leaner appearance. While RLT alone is not a miracle weight loss solution, it can serve as a powerful complement to traditional weight loss methods. Regular use of red light therapy, combined with physical activity and a nutritious diet, can help accelerate fat reduction, improve body composition, and enhance overall metabolic health. Many individuals who use RLT report feeling more energized, recovering faster from workouts, and noticing improvements in skin tightness, which can be beneficial during a weight loss journey. 3. Can red light therapy help GLP-1 users? GLP-1 receptor agonists such as semaglutide, Ozempic, Wegovy, and tirzepatide, Mounjaro, have become popular for weight loss due to their ability to regulate appetite and improve blood sugar control. However, one of the common concerns among GLP-1 users is muscle loss and loose skin that can occur with rapid weight reduction. Red light therapy may help address these concerns by promoting collagen production, enhancing muscle recovery, and improving skin elasticity. In addition to supporting skin and muscle health, red light therapy may enhance fat metabolism in individuals using GLP-1 medications. Since these drugs work by reducing food intake rather than directly burning fat, adding RLT to a weight loss regimen may help accelerate fat breakdown and prevent muscle degradation. By stimulating mitochondrial activity, RLT can help the body process energy more efficiently, which may counteract the slowed metabolism that sometimes accompanies long-term GLP-1 use. Another potential benefit for GLP-1 users is improved circulation and lymphatic drainage, which can aid in reducing water retention and bloating. Since some people experience temporary digestive discomfort while on GLP-1 medications, using red light therapy may help support digestive health by improving blood flow to the gut. While more research is needed to fully understand how RLT interacts with GLP-1 treatments, the combination of both therapies could provide a well-rounded approach to weight loss and body sculpting. 4. The science behind red light therapy and fat reduction. Primary mechanism behind red light therapy's fat-reducing effects lies in its ability to penetrate deep into tissues and interact with mitochondria. Mitochondria are responsible for producing ATP, the energy currency of cells. By boosting ATP production, RLT increases the body's ability to metabolize fat and convert it into usable energy, making it easier to sustain a calorie deficit and lose weight. Some studies suggest that RLT can temporarily alter the permeability of fat cell membranes, allowing stored triglycerides to be released into the bloodstream, where they can be burned for energy. This effect is often compared to the process that occurs during exercise, where fat cells shrink as their contents are used for fuel. Additionally, RLT may stimulate the production of enzymes that aid in breaking down fatty acids, further supporting the body's ability to utilize fat stores. Beyond its direct effects on fat cells, RLT has been shown to enhance lymphatic drainage, which helps remove waste products from the body. This can lead to a reduction in bloating and water retention, giving the appearance of a slimmer physique. By combining RLT with physical activity, users may maximize fat loss while also experiencing faster post-exercise recovery. 5. Benefits of red light therapy for metabolism and body fat. One of the most significant benefits of red light therapy for weight management is its ability to enhance metabolic function. By stimulating mitochondrial activity, RLT helps cells process nutrients and energy more efficiently, which can lead to increased calorie burning even at rest. A faster metabolism means that the body is better equipped to maintain a healthy weight and prevent excess fat storage. RLT is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can play a crucial role in weight loss. Chronic inflammation has been linked to obesity and metabolic disorders, as it can interfere with insulin sensitivity and disrupt hormonal balance. By reducing oxidative stress and lowering inflammation levels, red light therapy may help restore normal metabolic function and improve the body's ability to regulate fat storage. Another benefit of RLT is its potential to improve body composition by promoting lean muscle retention. Since muscle burns more calories than fat, preserving muscle mass is essential for maintaining a high metabolic rate. For individuals losing weight, especially those on calorie-restricted diets, red light therapy can be a valuable tool for preserving muscle while targeting fat loss. 6. Spa versus at-home red light therapy, which one is better? When considering red light therapy for weight loss, one of the biggest decisions is whether to opt for professional spa treatments or invest in an at-home device. Spa-based RLT sessions typically involve high-powered panels, full-body light beds, or targeted laser treatments. These professional-grade devices often emit higher light intensities, leading to faster and more noticeable results. Additionally, trained technicians can ensure proper positioning and optimal session duration for maximum effectiveness. On the other hand, at-home red light therapy devices have become increasingly popular due to their convenience and affordability. Many handheld devices, full body panels, and wearable wraps allow users to experience the benefits of RLT without needing frequent visits to a clinic. While these devices are generally less powerful than professional ones, consistent use can still yield significant improvements in fat loss, metabolism, and skin elasticity. Additionally, at-home therapy allows for more flexibility, enabling users to integrate RLT into their daily routines. Ultimately, the choice between spa and at-home therapy depends on individual goals, budget, and lifestyle. Those looking for rapid and dramatic results may benefit from professional treatments, while individuals seeking a cost-effective and long-term solution may find at-home devices more practical. Regardless of the option chosen, consistency is key to maximizing the benefits of red light therapy for weight loss and body sculpting. 7. How to use red light therapy for optimal weight loss results. To achieve the best weight loss results with red light therapy, it is essential to follow a structured approach. The first step is selecting a high-quality device with the appropriate wavelength range. Studies suggest that red light between 630 to 680 nm and near-infrared light between 800 to 850 nanometers are the most effective for fat metabolism and cellular repair. Ensuring that the device emits light in these ranges can significantly enhance results. Consistency is another crucial factor in optimizing weight loss with RLT. Most experts recommend using red light therapy for at least 10 to 20 minutes per session, around 3 to 5 times per week. Regular sessions allow the body to continuously stimulate mitochondria, enhance circulation, and encourage fat cell breakdown. It's also beneficial to combine RLT with physical activity, as exercise helps metabolize the released fat and prevent it from being reabsorbed by the body. Additionally, pairing red light therapy with a healthy diet and hydration can further amplify its effects. Proper nutrition ensures that the body efficiently processes released fat, while staying hydrated helps flush out toxins and metabolic waste. Some users also incorporate lymphatic massages or sauna sessions after RLT to enhance detoxification and promote better circulation. By combining these strategies, individuals can maximize their weight loss potential while improving overall wellness. 8. Potential side effects and safety considerations. Red light therapy is generally considered safe, non-invasive, and free from harmful side effects. Unlike UV tanning beds or laser treatments, RLT does not emit radiation or heat that can damage the skin. However, as with any wellness practice, it's essential to use red light therapy correctly to avoid potential risks or discomfort. Overuse or excessive exposure to high-intensity devices may lead to temporary skin irritation, redness, or dryness, though these effects typically subside quickly. For individuals with photosensitivity or pre-existing skin conditions, it is advisable to consult a healthcare provider before starting RLT. Certain medications, such as antibiotics or acne treatments, can make the skin more sensitive to light, increasing the risk of irritation. Additionally, those with underlying medical conditions, such as autoimmune disorders or thyroid issues, should seek professional guidance to ensure red light therapy is a safe option for them. Another consideration is eye protection. While red and near-infrared light are not harmful like UV rays, prolonged exposure can still cause eye strain or discomfort. Wearing protective goggles during sessions, especially when using high-powered devices, is recommended to prevent potential eye fatigue. By following safety guidelines and using RLT as directed, users can safely experience its benefits without adverse effects. 9. Red light therapy versus other weight loss methods. How does it compare? When comparing red light therapy to traditional weight loss methods, it's important to understand that RLT is a supportive tool rather than a primary solution. Unlike calorie restriction or high-intensity workouts, red light therapy does not directly burn calories but instead enhances the body's ability to metabolize fat and recover more efficiently. This makes it an excellent complement to diet and exercise rather than a standalone weight loss method. Compared to fat reduction treatments like liposuction or cryolipolysis, cool sculpting, RLT is non-invasive and painless, with no downtime required. While procedures like liposuction provide immediate fat removal, they come with higher risks, recovery time, and costs. Red light therapy, on the other hand, offers gradual but natural fat loss, making it a safer alternative for those looking to enhance their body composition without surgery. Additionally, RLT offers unique benefits beyond fat loss, including skin rejuvenation, reduced inflammation, and improved muscle recovery. This sets it apart from weight loss pills or fad diets, which often focus solely on reducing weight rather than improving overall health. When combined with a healthy lifestyle, red light therapy provides a well-rounded approach to sustainable weight management. 10. Final thoughts. Is red light therapy worth it for weight loss? Red light therapy presents a promising, science-backed method for supporting weight loss and improving body composition. While it is not a magic solution for shedding pounds overnight, it offers numerous benefits, including enhanced fat metabolism, reduced inflammation, and improved skin elasticity. For individuals using GLP-1 medications, RLT may help counteract muscle loss and sagging skin, making it a valuable addition to a comprehensive weight loss plan. The choice between professional spa treatments and at-home devices depends on individual preferences and goals. Spa treatments provide higher intensity exposure for faster results, while at-home devices offer convenience and affordability. Regardless of the approach, consistency is key. Regular use of red light therapy, combined with healthy habits, can yield noticeable improvements in weight loss and overall well-being. Ultimately, red light therapy is worth considering for those looking to enhance their weight loss efforts naturally. While more research is needed to fully understand its long-term effects, current studies and anecdotal evidence suggest that RLT can be a valuable tool for optimizing fat loss, muscle retention, and skin health. By integrating it into a holistic wellness routine, users can maximize its potential and achieve sustainable results. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.